Hey guys, welcome back to the Gill Switch, where you work on cars and improve if a teen can do it, so can you. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the air filter in your car. So first thing we got to do is pop the hood. Okay, so now you got the hood popped. You gotta, if your car is on shocks, then you'll be good, but for us we got to put on a support thing, so just gotta make sure they put that in. So guys, just so you know that there's two air filters. One's called the cabin air filter, where I show you how to fix it, which up here, and then the other one's in your engine bay, and that one's located right here for us, but it's pretty easy to see for every single car because it takes up a lot of room. So for us, we just have two clips, so we gotta remove, and then this thing just slides out like this. But for some cars, you have screws that you just have to unbolt and then just pop up. So now let's remove it, which is just really easy like this. And for us, it's pretty easy to know how to put it in properly because there's a rubber lip. So now for us, it's a rectangle, so we got it. So there is a right and a wrong for us. So now let's just slide it back in. So if your car does not have any rubber on, if your car, I'm sorry. Now if your car does not have a rubber lip on it, you're gonna want to look at where your intake inflow comes from, and then you want to face it away. So that's it, and now we just gotta close the hood, and now you're good to drive. Alright, now you officially have changed out your air filter. That finishes our video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you didn't, tell us what I did wrong in the comments down below.